All right, so we have here a Quantum 600 power chair. This is an older model, but the reason I have it here is because it's practically brand new. This was a really well constructed chair. This chair was only used for about 3 or 4 months at the most. It has the electric tilt and the electric recline. So those are the two features this chair has. It's a very dependable power chair. So to make the seat go back on this power chair, you would go to the seat, you would hit this blue button here until you see a picture of the seat. And as soon as you see a picture of the seat, right now it's set up for the recline, and right now it's set up for the tilt. Then you use your joystick and push it back. You can see how quiet, you can't even hear it. So the seat is going tilting back right now. The feet are manual. The feet will come up with you, which is nice. The foot plate does not stay on the ground. It does come up with the seat. And that foot plate is fully adjustable. So if you're 6'3" or 5'3", we can adjust the length of that foot plate. Okay, so this is your electric tilt right here. And the chair will not drive with the seat tilted. Okay, so let me bring the seat back down. I'm going to put it back down to this way. So this was your electric tilt right here going back down. So if you need some circulation, you can definitely be tilted very well. As I said, this chair is just like a brand new chair. So we're almost all the way down. The next thing I'm going to show you is called the electric recline. The electric recline is just the back going back by itself. As you can see, the back is reclining. This is called electric recline. I'm holding the button here, that's why it's going back. So this would be your electric recline. So this is your electric recline. In these, I'm going to put the arm back in here so you can see what it looks like. So this is what it would look like if you were reclined. Okay, so I'm going to bring the recline back up. Also with this chair, while we're at it, you have arm support, which is nice. You see this bar right here? This is an arm support. So with that bar right there into here, like that, you can push on your arm without having any play. So if you need to push off your arms, those are arm support right there. So we've got the seat just about back to where it needs to be. We're going to put it back in drive. Let's look at the base on this chair. Okay, so we've got your 14-inch non-skid wheels. You've got caster wheels in the front, caster wheels in the back. You have an anchor point here, an anchor point. You have two on this side. This is where you would secure your chair to your lift for transportation, right here. You have two on this side, two on the opposite side. You have a motor for each wheel. These are really good motors for each wheel. If I want to push this chair right now, I can't push it because it's in gear. Plus the chair weighs about 275 pounds. But if I turn the power off and I take that lever and I push it down, there we go. Now your wheel is unlocked. See it? You got to do both motors because there's a motor on this side also. So put both levers down, you can roll the chair around, okay? The reason you want the power off, you don't want no resistance in the motor if the power is on. So the wheel is back on. So now we're back in gear. I'm going to turn the power back on, okay? So this is a mid-wheel drive chair, so it turns on its own length. So if I put my foot here and I put my foot in front of the foot plate, it'll turn all day long in that space. Let me just show you. This is what I'm talking about. Same space all day long. Now let's look at the front of this chair. We've got a foot plate that flips up for easy exit. The seat on this chair is about 20 inches wide by 18 deep. Now, I cannot change the seat on this chair. All I can do is I can make the seat deeper. So this whole section here can be moved back with these two screws right here. I've got about 3 inches left. So I can make the seat 20 by 20, 20 by 21. So we can push the back, but the bottom is not going to change. This is not one of these. We can change the seat. So if you're going to buy this chair, you're getting a 20 by whatever depth you want, anywhere from 18 to 21 inches deep. You have a safety belt here on the back of the chair. You've got push bars, which is nice. You've got push bars for the chair. The batteries in this chair come out from the front. So if you're going to take the batteries out, they come out from this cover behind the foot plate has to come out. So that means the seat would have to be tilted to be able to get the batteries out from the front. There's 2 batteries. They're 55 amp batteries, which will give you, on this chair, probably about 15 miles on a battery charge. And that all depends on the weight of the user, what kind of surface you're on, and how you drive your chair. Lastly, when you charge this chair, you'll take your quantum charger right here, and you'll plug it right below your joystick right here. And as soon as the light goes from orange to green, the charger will stop charging. These chargers do know when the batteries are full, and they'll stop charging when the batteries are full. So let's do a recap. So we have here a Quantum 600 power chair with the electric tilt, the electric recline, okay, the safety belt, the adjustable back seat, okay, the reinforced arm, the solid tires, the anchor points. I can go on and on and on. It also has the foot pegs here if you needed to put individual legs in front. If you want to have, instead of a foot plate, you want an individual legs. The pegs are already here. You can see them right there, okay? And this chair was used for about 3 or 4 months at the most. Everything's original. It's practically brand new. This will make a really nice backup chair or a main chair. If you want a chair with an electric tilt and electric recline, this would be a really nice one. All right, so this is the Jazzy 600. We have a little bit of rain, so we'll have to do this on the quick side. You can see how easy it is to drive. Should have no problem in the grass. So this is the Jazzy 600, the Quantum 600 power chair with the electric tilt, electric recline. Really nice power chair, ready to go.
Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex.
We are a family-owned business for over 25 years.
We have many products available, not just what you see in this video. If you would like to learn more, you can call the number below at 800-677-6293, or you can visit us directly at www.marksmobility.com.